In the fast-paced world we live in today, the accumulation of toxins in the body has become a significant concern. From environmental pollutants to processed foods, many aspects of modern life contribute to the buildup of harmful substances. This has led to a growing interest in detoxification, with people seeking ways to cleanse their bodies and reset their systems. While detox diets and extreme cleanses may be popular, a natural detox approach focuses on sustainable, holistic methods that support the body's inherent ability to detoxify and restore balance. The idea is not just to flush out toxins quickly, but to nurture the body's detoxification systems for long-term health and vitality. Before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. The body's natural detoxification systems. The human body has evolved sophisticated systems to eliminate toxins naturally. Key organs such as the liver, kidneys, digestive system, lungs, and skin work together to maintain the body's internal balance and protect against harmful substances. The liver acts as the primary detox organ, filtering toxins from the bloodstream and converting them into substances that can be easily excreted. The kidneys also play an essential role by filtering waste and excess substances, ensuring they are eliminated through urine. The lungs expel carbon dioxide and other waste gases when we breathe, while the skin eliminates toxins through sweat. Additionally, the digestive system helps break down food, absorb nutrients, and eliminate waste products through the bowel. Recognizing the need for a detox. There are several signs that may indicate your body could benefit from a detoxification process. Common symptoms include chronic fatigue, skin issues such as acne or dullness, digestive discomfort like bloating or constipation, frequent headaches, brain fog, poor sleep, and a weakened immune system. If you experience any of these symptoms, it could be a sign that your body is struggling to cope with the buildup of toxins, and a natural detox might help restore balance and improve your overall well-being. However, it is important to remember that detoxification is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It should be personalized to your needs, taking into consideration factors like your lifestyle, diet, and health condition. Effective natural detox methods. There are various natural methods to support your body's detoxification processes, which focus on nurturing the organs responsible for cleansing and giving the body the tools it needs to function at its best. Below are some of the most effective natural detox techniques. Hydration, the power of water. Water is perhaps the most important factor in any detoxification process. Staying properly hydrated helps the body flush out toxins, supports digestion, maintains healthy skin, and keeps your energy levels up. When you are dehydrated, your kidneys cannot function optimally, which can hinder the elimination of waste products from the body. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, although this may vary depending on individual needs, activity levels, and environmental conditions. To make your water more detoxifying, consider adding fresh lemon, cucumber, or mint. These ingredients not only enhance the flavor, but also provide additional detoxifying benefits, like supporting liver health and aiding digestion. Eating detoxifying foods. While staying hydrated is crucial, what you eat can also play a significant role in the detoxification process. Many foods contain natural compounds that help support the liver, kidneys, and digestive system in their detox functions. Leafy greens such as kale, spinach, and dandelion greens are rich in chlorophyll, which binds to toxins and helps remove them from the bloodstream. Beets, known for their ability to cleanse the liver, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower, which support liver detoxification, should also be incorporated into your diet. Garlic is another powerful detox food, as it contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes, helping the body detoxify more efficiently. Fasting, allowing the body to reset. Intermittent fasting, IF, has become increasingly popular as a natural detox method. During fasting periods, the digestive system gets a break, allowing the body to shift into repair mode. In addition to supporting weight management, it is believed to promote cellular repair processes that help eliminate toxins and regenerate healthy cells. One of the key benefits of intermittent fasting is that it allows the liver to focus more on detoxification rather than digestion. While fasting can be beneficial for detoxification, It's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before beginning any fasting regimen, especially for individuals with underlying health conditions. Exercise. Moving toxins out of the body. Physical activity is another important part of the natural detox process. Exercise promotes circulation, helping the body eliminate toxins through sweat, respiration, and lymphatic flow. Sweat itself is a powerful detox tool, as it helps expel not only water, but also certain toxins like heavy metals and endocrine-disrupting chemicals. Regular exercise improves overall blood circulation, allowing oxygen and nutrients to reach cells while waste products are efficiently removed. Additionally, activities like yoga, which combine movement with deep breathing, can help stimulate the lymphatic system and promote relaxation, further enhancing the body's detoxification processes. Supporting gut health with probiotics. Gut health is central to detoxification, as the digestive system plays a crucial role in eliminating waste and absorbing nutrients. A balanced gut microbiome, made up of beneficial bacteria, helps regulate digestion and supports the immune system. Probiotics, which are live beneficial bacteria, can help maintain a healthy gut microbiome and improve the body's ability to detoxify. Fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha are rich in probiotics and can be included in your diet to support gut health. Alternatively, probiotic supplements can also be beneficial for maintaining digestive health, especially if you are dealing with digestive discomfort or have taken antibiotics recently. Herbal detox teas. Herbal teas have been used for centuries in various cultures as natural detoxifiers. Many herbs contain compounds that support liver function, promote digestion, and help eliminate toxins. Dandelion root tea, for example, is widely regarded for its ability to stimulate liver detoxification and promote kidney health. Milk thistle, known for its liver protective properties, is another popular herb used to cleanse the body. Green tea is another powerful detox tea, packed with antioxidants that support liver function and boost metabolism. Ginger tea not only aids digestion, but also helps soothe inflammation, making it an excellent choice for detoxing. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.